Hi everyone, my name is Holly Savenki and I am a freelance makeup artist, and today I will be teaming up with Topkit to discuss with you guys my top 5 favorite items that are necessities for me when I am doing clients' makeup, whether it's off location or on location. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first product I'm going to talk to you guys about, this is such an amazing product and I have been obsessed with it ever since I got it. So this is the Sephora Dry Clean Instant Dry Brush Cleaner Spray, and what I love about this product, especially when I'm doing clients' makeup, is it allows you to use similar brushes on multiple people, and it disinfects the brushes as well as takes off the existing product that's on them. So if you're doing a warm tone smoky eye on one client, you can use all the same brushes and clean them off with this and do a cool tone smoky eye on another client to not worry about the colors transferring, because all you have to do is you just spray a little bit of it onto the brush and swirl it onto a towel, and that's it. And it is definitely a necessity for me for clients, and I highly recommend it, and this is one of my top 5 in my top kit, or makeup kit. Okay, so my second item in my top 5 for my freelance makeup kit is the Morphe 35O palette. Now, I have been obsessed with all things Morphe for a long time. I love all of their products, but their Morphe 35O palette has always stood out to me because it just has, I'll open it for you guys so you can see, it just has such beautiful shades, and you can literally create so many different looks with this palette, and it's such a versatile palette that it'll look good on every eye color, every skin tone. All these colors can complement one another in some way, shape, or form, and you can create more cool tone looks, warm tone looks, you name it. It can be created with this palette, and this is always in my makeup kit when I'm doing clients' makeup, and I'm obsessed with it, always have been, and always will be. Another product that I would like to talk to you guys about is the Glam Pod. Now, I wish I had more of these because I have so many beauty sponges, because I bring multiple when I do clients' makeup, because beauty sponges, I will use them multiple times on clients, and I will bring in a spray bottle a diluted concentration of baby shampoo, and so I put in some baby shampoo and dilute it with water, and then I'll use that to clean off the beauty blender if I need to use one more than once on a client. But this is so nice. Ever since I got it, at first I was a bit hesitant. I was like, am I going to use this? I literally use it all the time. So what I love about it is it has, so I promise you this is clean. It's very stained. It is clean and it's wet, so I put it in here so that it could dry. And then I brought it up to film this video and I forgot to take it out, but I guess I can show you guys. So you can really put it either way. This is just a Real Techniques beauty sponge, and again, it fits every beauty sponge that I have, and I have various brands. So it just opens up like this, and so I don't know if you can see, but it has holes in the bottom as well as holes on the side, and this allows for the beauty blender to dry when it's wet in this without getting all moldy and gross, but you're also not getting dust on it or other products on it if you're putting it in your makeup bag, and it is seriously amazing. I need to get more of these because I have multiple blenders and I need more because I don't have enough. So I'll just quickly show you. So you just put the lid on, and all you have to do is literally just put it on, and you just slide it downwards and it just clicks in place, and it is just perfect for traveling and just sitting on my makeup vanity. It is amazing, and then you don't have to worry about cross-contaminating beauty blenders if they're touching when you have used it on other clients' faces, and it is incredible, and I need to get more of these. And yeah, so this is the number 3, is this number 3? Number 3 for my top 5 for my makeup kit. So another item in my top 5 is the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Now, this is amazing. It is the best loose setting powder that I've ever used, ever. It does... The only way I can explain the smell is that it smells like your grandma. Like if you're hugging your grandma, this is what it smells like. So I personally don't find the scent of this to be too overwhelming or anything. I've had this and used this for so long that I've just kind of gotten used to it. Some people may not like how strong of a fragrance this powder has, but in my opinion, it is totally worth it, and it's very inexpensive. I got it off Amazon. I got so many of them off Amazon. This is perfect because you use so much loose face powder when you're on set doing clients' makeup because you're baking their under eyes, cleaning up the contour lines on the sides of their face. You're using it for so many different reasons on so many different people that you can go through this so fast. And yeah, it is absolutely incredible. My favorite loose setting powder. I will never go anywhere without it when I'm doing clients' makeup because I will always find myself using it for something on their face. And yeah, so this is number 4 on my top 5 items in my makeup kit. So number 5 is technically 2 things, but they're the same thing, so I'm just gonna say it counts as one because that works, right? So these are the Morphe foundation palettes, and I bring these with me anytime I do a client's makeup anywhere. They are incredible. I'm obsessed with them. I love them so much. I have the 9FC and the 9FW, so one of them is a cool tone palette and one of them is a warm toned. So I'll just quickly show you. Oh my god, these are so dirty. I'm so sorry. So this is the cool toned one, and I'll compare it with the warm toned one. So this is the warm tone one, and so this is them side by side. So as you can tell, they're very different, but it's amazing because you can mix and match all of them to get the perfect shade for your client. And when I first got these, I was worried that they're going to be too dry, since getting a foundation palette, you never really are sure, because when foundation is pressed into a palette like this, sometimes it can be super dry, especially on clients who have dry skin. But I love these. I mix and match, I get the perfect shade. It is absolutely incredible. As you can tell, these are well loved, as you can see, because they are such messes. I should have cleaned them before I filmed this, but I wasn't thinking, so I apologize. But I will not go anywhere without these, and these are great for when you're first starting out to build your makeup kit, because these are, I don't remember the exact cost of them, but they're not that expensive for the amount of product that you're getting. And you don't, when you can't afford to buy a bottle of every single foundation shade, this is perfect because you're getting all those options to mix and match to make the perfect shade for your client, but you're still having great quality product being put on your client's skin. So I will just quickly go over with you one more time what my top 5 favorite products are. So these products will always be in my makeup kit, probably for now until the end of time. So number 1 is the Sephora Dry Brush Shampoo, the Morphe 35O palette, which is my baby, the Glam Pod to hold a beauty sponge, my Coty Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder, and my Morphe foundation palettes. So those are my top 5 products that I will always have in my makeup kit when I am doing clients' makeup. These are great products for people who have been doing makeup for years and people who are just starting to get into makeup. They're such versatile products. You can use them for so many different reasons, and I love them all so much. And I would like to thank Top Kit for wanting to feature me in their little series that they're doing. I am honored. I have been a freelance makeup artist for a year and a half now, and it has been the best year and a half. I'm so amazed with how much I have grown, and it's just so amazing getting to do other people's makeup and just try new things, and doing weddings, graduations, photo shoots, such amazing experiences to be on set, and these will be with me anytime I am doing a client's makeup for probably eternity. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and for watching me. Again, I am Holly Savinky, and my makeup freelancing, I call myself Beauty Redefined by Holly. So that is my Instagram name and my Facebook page name if you guys would like to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much Top Kit for thinking of me and wanting to feature me in your series. And I will hopefully see all of you beautiful people soon. Bye!